Logos, accessibility and equal housing opportunity. A man sits on a sofa in an indoor rooftop lounge. A balcony is just beyond the floor-to-ceiling glass windows behind him.
Life at Westerly House extends well beyond your front door. Start your day in the 2-level fitness center, or grab a coffee before heading to the co-working lounge, complete with private offices. And when it's time to relax, you'll find plenty of ways to recharge, whether it's at the pool and courtyard grills, the dog park and spa, or the Skyline Lounge with its outdoor terrace and fire pit overlooking the city.
A man and woman stand on an outdoor terrace. The Nashville skyline appears beyond them about a mile away.
Every detail is designed for convenience too, with package lockers, a resident micro-market, secured parking, and plenty of storage for bikes and gear.
People stand on the rooftop balcony and in the lounge just inside. The words Westerly House appear at the top of the building.
And because Westerly House is built for connection, these shared spaces make it easy to meet neighbors, join in community events, and feel part of something bigger. It is more than a place to live. It's a place to belong.